Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Auth0 tenant and application settings step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Auth0 dashboard. Navigate to the Applications section in the left sidebar. Select the application you want to configure. In the application settings, locate the domain field. Copy the domain value for later use. Next, scroll down to the Allowed Callback URL section. Add the URL where you want Auth0 to redirect after authentication. Make sure to separate multiple URLs with a comma. Now, find the Allowed Logout URL section. Input the URL to which users will be redirected after logging out. Proceed to the Allowed Web Origins section. Add any URLs where your application will be hosted. Do not forget to check the JWT expiration settings. Adjust the token expiration times according to your application requirements. Now, switch to the API section found on the left sidebar. Click on the Create API button. Enter a name for your API. For the identifier, use a unique URL or string. Choose the signing algorithm, typically RS-256 for better security. Once your API is created, navigate to the Permissions tab. Define the scopes your API will require. Next, head back to the Applications section. Ensure your application has the correct permissions to access the API. You can do this by linking the app to your API in the Application settings. Now, navigate to the User Management section. Here, you can create users for testing purposes. Go to the Roles tab to establish roles for your users. Define roles that correspond to your application's needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.